Hi everybody and welcome back. I'm Juliette and welcome to my Moon Salutation series. So practice with your heart, enjoy your practice. I will guide you through the modifications and you're gonna do your best. So let's begin. So let's begin here in a goddess pose. So let's take our arms all the way up. Connect with the mudra and breathe through the nose in, through the nose out. Gently make your transfer to your right to the Anjaneyasana lunge. Breathe all the way in through the nose, all the way out through the nose, and slowly transfer to the side. Intense, straight, hands behind, forward, fold. Exhalation, breathe, relax, restore, square hips, reach all the way, and bring your both hands, or start with the one right away, all the way, Arha Chandrasana. Through the nose in, through the nose out. We're gently going to dive back to the lunge, Anjaneyasana. Reach all the way through. Wonderful balance, guys. And then back to our goddess pose. We're gonna flow from the other side. Reach in through the nose, out through the nose. Breathe, guys, and we're back to the lunge, Anjaneyasana. On the left, square your hip. Make sure that you're breathing through the nose in, out, and forward fold. In the side, intense straight with the arms all the way behind. Breathe through. Inhalation through the nose, exhalation through the nose, and we're diving towards Arha Chandrasana, our half moon. Be patient, take your time. Modify, hold the both hands on the floor if needed. We're diving back to our lunge, Anjaneyasana. Back to the lunge, reach through. Wonderful job. Back to the goddess pose. Fantastic. Reach all the way. Breathe. Inhalation through the nose, exhalation. Lunge, Anjaneyasana. Wonderful. Inhalation through the nose, exhalation through the nose. Side straight, hands behind. Wonderful. In through the nose, out through the nose. Lift in Arha Chandrasana or half moon. Great job. Reach all the way back. Gently step back. All the way back to the lunge. Carry, glide. In through the nose, out through the nose. Back to the goddess pose. Reach through. Inhalation. Breathe and exhalation. Lunge pose on the left Anjaneyasana. Reach, breathe, transfer the weight all the way side straight, hands behind. Wonderful. Breathe. Reach. We're gonna go to Arha Chandrasana. All the way. Reach all the way. Breathe, 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 guys. Dive back to your lunge. Glide back. Don't slam that leg. Reach, square hips. Breathe. Fantastic job. Back to the goddess pose. We have one more round. Reach all the way. Breathe. Inhalation through the nose. Acknowledge the moon. In. Reach all the way. Lunge, Anjaneyasana. We dive into the side. Straight all the way forward. Fold. Reach through halfway in Arha Chandrasana or half moon. All your choice. You can still support yourself with the both hands. Take that step back to your lunge, Anjaneyasana. Be patient. Don't hurry up. Back to the goddess pose. Breathe. Reach. Inhalation through the nose. Exhalation through the nose. In through the nose. Out through the nose. Back to the lunge. Breathe, connect with that body, inside, out, acknowledge the moon again. Forward fold, arms all the way behind. Breathe, connect, reach, and we're going back to the Arha Chandrasana all the way. Wonderful job, guys. Through the nose in, through the nose out. Dive back to your low lunge or Anjaneyasana. Breathe, inhalation, exhalation, back to the goddess pose. Close your eyes, look inside, find the joy inside, open that heart to more kindness, to more love. Wonderful job, everybody. That was the Moon Salutation Variation A. So come back and we will practice together again. Namaste.